Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today I am going to be creating a spread for the last week of March in my catch-up planner, which is Beauty in Florals. I am using Spring and Summer from Recollections, so if you have that sticker book, you can go ahead and create with me. I think this will be a super bright and fun spread. So we are planning for the week of March 28th through April 3rd. Can you believe it's almost April already? Oh my gosh. So this sticker book has two of a really fun words. It has shine and bloom, and I'm going to go ahead and use it. And I'm gonna put this beautiful sidebar in with the flowers. And while I'm doing that, I wanted to say thank you. If you are joining me for the first time, I wanted to welcome you and say hello. So if you are brand new and you just subscribed, say hello down below. I wanted to personally welcome you to my channel. And if you are coming back, thank you so much for coming back and spending time with me. I appreciate you so very much for doing that. And let's do this. So bloom is fun, it's purple, it's bright, I love it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a second word to the spread. So I'm gonna go ahead and do shine across. It will be really fun. There we go. So we have bloom and shine, and now I can create a spread around it. If you're seeing circles kind of shadowing, that's because the previous week was actually a blackout spread. So I was hand drawing circles and using this really cool tool to draw circles. So I must have pressed a little hard because now it's showing on this page. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and continue working with the same sticker book. I think that's the best way to kind of make sure that I stay within this color range. Recollection is not like the Happy Planner when they will repeat color schemes. They usually stick to one color scheme per sticker book, so I'm going to do my best to kind of stick within the parameters, otherwise I will have to look for the exact same shade and it will drive me nuts. Anyhow, so let's go ahead and add all of these to-dos because I already know this week will be beyond busy and I can't wait to finish all of this. I kind of know already what's going on more or less in that week, so let's go ahead and go for it. Hello spring, for sure. It's finally getting nice outside. I don't know if it's getting nice where you guys are, but by me, definitely is. We have quite a beautiful forest preserve very close to us. So Alec and I usually go for walks on weekends in there. And so many birds have came back. It's really fun to watch them and watch other people with dogs. In case you didn't know, I am a little dog crazy and obsessed, and I really want to purchase a dog. So that will happen sometime, hopefully this year. Okay, so next thing that I'm going to do after these boxes, I am going to go ahead and add some of decorational pieces with these really gorgeous florals. So if you haven't seen a flip through of this book is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know why I continually keep buying stickers. If you guys are like me, then you know I have a ton of stickers and I enjoy using them, but a lot of times I will stick to one or two books to create a spread, which there's nothing wrong with it. So that's kind of what I do. I just really like having cohesive spreads that are very functional. for me, function above everything, and then decorational is just to keep me motivated to keep on working. I am adding some more of these blue flowers into the spreads, and I think that's lovely. Okay, and some gold. So I really like how this is turning out, where it's going to be very heavy on decorations right in the middle, and then top and bottom will be extremely functional for me. So if you need a pretty functional planner, you might want to kind of replicate this as well and do something like this. Again, it's kind of fun to be able to do this. And let's add a butterfly. Look how pretty. Yay! They're gorgeous. These stickers are absolutely gorgeous. And there we go. So it's bringing in a lot of that beauty into the spread. I'm gonna go ahead and add, look for some checklists possibly, so I can go ahead and write down all the things that I need to do. I was a little bit limited in the spread with the blackout. Obviously the circles, there was a lot of circles, but it still didn't allow me to fully have the freedom of writing all over like I normally do. If you guys seen my after the pens there, or a flip through of my filled in planner, you already know that my planner is extremely full. I have a side business, I have this YouTube channel, I have a full-time job, I run a household. There's a lot of things that I am doing, and then I'm always helping with family stuff, so my to-do list is enormous, and if I don't write it down, it will not happen. So if you're like me, you probably need less decoration, more functional spreads like I do. And what helps me the most is actually making it compartmentalized in different planners. So throughout those 6 planners, everything has its own little compartment, and if I need to look for something, I know where to go, whether it's work or personal or appointments or whatever it is. And that's kind of where I know how to look for all these items. I am all done with the spread. Thank you so much for joining me. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.